So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix out of memory game crashes on your Windows. Now, in order to fix that, just simply open the settings of your Windows. The settings will open something like this. Inside here on the top bar, you need to search for performance. Once you type performance, you need to click on this option of adjust appearance and performance of Windows. Inside here, click on this option of advanced, and here you see this option of virtual memory. Click on this option of change. Now allocate virtual memory up to 4 GB that I would recommend. 4 GB is nothing but 4,124 MBs. Just simply assign it. Now it has a virtual cache memory that it can use in order to avoid the crashing of game while you play the hardcore games.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.